All right, so when you get to level 11, a pop-up that says you're now in design mode, I'm sure that's going to be important. So our goal, add a second button to the screen that says write with an ID of write button. How? In design mode, drag in a new button, position and resize it, then set its ID, text, background color, and font size. All right, so we have, this is what we want it to look like. Um, there's a button, so we're going to drag it in here. All right, and I'm going to try and make it the same size. Is that the same size? Almost perfect. There we go. Excellent. Okay, so we want to, okay, we did that. Position resize it. We did that. Okay, so now we're going to move back from the design screen to coding. All right. All right. So, we're going to start with the set properties. Okay. And what do we call this? We're calling this button 1, except we want to name that better. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to design mode. I'm going to look at the ID, and it says button 1 right now, but we can name that better. We're going to do right button because that's what the instructions tell us to right here. All right, so we want to follow the instructions. I would have had to give myself points off for not following that. All right, so we're going to go back to code now. Set property for right button, and you'll notice, little side lesson here. You'll notice that the first letter is lowercase, but the second letter is uppercase. And this is called camel case. This is a programming thing. You'll see it here too and here, and it's just something you do when you're coding is you set the second word, the first letter of the second word is capitalized, kind of like the hump on a camel. So lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, just like a camel. All right. So that's just a little programming thing, and it's a good habit to get into. So set property, right button. Okay, we're going to set the text to right. There we go. All right. Now we're going to do another one. We're going to click on the right button. We're going to click on background color. And okay, red, red. Okay, that works. And then one more. So again, on the right button. And this one's going to be font size. And I don't know what the font size on the left is, but let's play around and see if we can figure it out, maybe. Ooh, actually, I'll click on this. Font size 30. Hey, look at that. All right, so I went back in design mode. I clicked on the left button and I looked at the properties and it says the font size is 30. So let's go back to coding. And for our right button, we're going to give it a font size of 30. Let's see if I did this right. So we're going to press run. Left, right. That looks right. That looks right. I think we can give ourselves a check mark for this. Well done. Click on the orange finish button when you're ready. And I'll see you on the other side. Here we go.